Examination of bones. Forensic osteology is the application of knowledge of bones for the purposes of law and administration of justice. Salient features. Forensic odontology means with the bones not attached to human tissue. If human tissues are attached, more appreciated come under forensic anthropology, mutilated body. The forensic human osteology, when only human bones are dealt with the situation. The body, when only human bones are dealt with the situation, body found buried in ground unearthed during construction activity, while digging foundation for building in a jungle, forest, ditch, dumps, rubbish, trashes, canes, and simply lying in the open of the ground. Mass disaster, air crashes, fire. In all cases where bones are found, following procedures must be adopted. Preliminaries. Receiving bond. Receive the bundle of bonds from the police officer along with the accompanying director. See what specific questions have been asked. Arrange, keep the bonds in anatomical arrangement. Determine which bones are present and which one is missing. Make inventory. Write down names and numbers of all bones which are present. Example: right femur, tibia, left on one left on one right. Draw a chart of the bones after laying them in an anatomical position. Take photograph of bones after they have been anatomically aligned. Note extraneous material sticking to the bones such as grass, mud, dust, debris, leaves, etc. Remove them with a brush or wooden pick, but never with a metal blade. Acetone have to be may applied to remove dust particles and the extraneous material for a forensic examination. Then soft tissue, make a note of all bones which have attached soft tissue, note the degree of their decomposition. Preserve soft tissues of possible blood group analysis and DNA profiling. Condition of bones. Note if they are dry, moist, or soapy to touch, smell if any. Washing and cleaning. At this stage, wash and clean the bones with lukewarm water and allow them to dry. If soft tissues are attached to bones, allowing following procedures can be done to remove them. Immerse bones in a dilute aqueous solution of trisodium phosphate and household detergent for several days. If such a waiting period is not feasible, quick removal of it by boiling. For boiling, young children's bone 6 മണിക്കൂറും 12 മണിക്കൂറാണ് അഡൽട്ടിന്. Adult bones boil for 12 hours. After such a treatment, soft parts, tender attachment, and periosteum can be removed easily with an ordinary scrubbing of brush. Disarticulation of the skull may sometimes require for closer inspection of the individual, generally not possible for applying pressure inward from outward. Application of pressure outward from inward is more effective. Thus generally happens in heat fractures of skull when steam from inside exert pressure to cause separation of sutures. Procedure: when a skull is cleaned, macerated, allowed to stand in water and boiled, then cranial cavity is filled by substance which swells when moistened. Dry beans or peas introduced through foramen magnum. Skull is placed again in water. This substance swells and falls a part of the individual bones. Okay. Questions to be raised: whether these bones are bones or only rubble. Naked eye inspection. Show particulars of bones: trochanter's tuberosity, condyles, which should not be visible in rubble. Density of bone is different that of rubble. Specific gravity of a bone is to a rubble lesser or greater, but rarely to. Microscopy. Precipitation test possible when bones are within 15 years of death. Plasma proteins are extractable up to this period, not possible with a burned or cremated bone. Then humans or animals. Comparative anatomy is the differentiation is done by studying details which are different in men and animal. Easy when entire bones are available, but difficult when bones are burned, fragmented, or otherwise mutilated. Also difficult with a very small bone, metacarpal, metatarsal, ossicles, phalanges. Hand and foot bones of bear resemble human bones greatly. Virtually impossible with the sesamoid bone. Precipitation test. Microscopy, but bones of great apes cannot be distinguished. Chemical analysis of bone ash can also be done. Thank you.